So you want to know how to drain your air from your air tanks. This is a 2023 Freightliner Cascadia, and don't mind the dirt on this truck because it's a working machine. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. This process is very quickly done and very safely done. And what you need this for is to make sure you get your moisture out of your air system. So what you're gonna do is take this down. Is actually hold on together with this magnets right here. So it's just drag it down. Very easy to do. So what you're gonna do is pull these wires right here. Let me show you how it's done. So basically when you pull it, you're gonna hear the air coming out. So it's one wire here and the other wire is right here. You need to you need to drag them both. So what I'm using to make this process easier is this straps right here, and I just make sure I just drag it so it holds and basically drains the air. And I'm gonna do the same with the other side. Obviously I have a problem right now, but I have another one. Just got the second one, and I do the same thing on that side. So this is gonna take about, I don't know, like 15 minutes until it gets everything drained out. And after that, what you do is just pull this out, close it back together, and you're good to go. This is very helpful during the winter time to make sure you don't get all this moisture turn into ice, and just avoid a lot of problems with this. So this is basically it. If you like the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace.